Hello, moneymakers. Imagine building a YouTube channel that feels like a Hollywood sci-fi franchise without shooting a single scene. That's exactly what this creator did. In just 11 months, they uploaded only 17 videos, yet crossed 13 million total views, gained over 130,000 subscribers, had half their uploads exceed 500,000 views, and their biggest video reached 2.5 million. The formula is surprisingly simple. Every video throws you into a world-ending scenario with giant monsters, alien planets, or humanity fighting for survival, then delivers the entire story in just 20 to 30 minutes. It looks like a blockbuster, but it's powered entirely by AI. And the result is right in front of you. And here's the crazy part. Almost this entire production pipeline runs inside one AI platform called Drama.land. Instead of juggling 5 or 6 different AI tools, you can brainstorm, generate visuals, create cinematic videos, and keep your story consistent all in one place. In this video, I'll show you the exact system behind it, from the free tools and workflow to the storytelling structure, so you can build a channel in this niche from scratch. So grab a coffee and let's dive into the process. The idea and script. This niche is a dystopian sci-fi world where a female protagonist battles demons and cyclopses trying to conquer a post-apocalyptic Earth. A few humans survive, helped by alien-like allies. That's the core setup. So, pick any rough idea like a female protagonist fighting mutants, or in a dystopian future, a hero is trying to protect the Earth and humanity from the aliens. The writing has to be genius, almost Hollywood level. But here's the twist. Unlike most YouTube videos, these don't have any narration. Most of them lean entirely on visual storytelling with background music. Sometimes the characters have dialogue, and sometimes the protagonist gives a monologue to the audience, which is the closest thing to narration you'll get. Other than that, the visuals do all the work. So for the script, we will use a new AI tool called Drama.land. This is an AI-powered video creation platform where you bring ideas to life simply by chatting with an AI creative assistant named Dolly. Instead of jumping between multiple apps, it brings together video generation, cinematic storytelling, lip sync, music, motion controls, and editing tools in a single workspace. Before creating our first project inside Drama.land, I want to give you a quick tour of the available tools because they show how the platform is organized. Everything is grouped into dedicated sections for video generation, cinematic storytelling, music, lip sync, motion control, and more. That's a big advantage because creating AI videos often means switching between several different platforms. You might generate visuals in one tool, create lip sync in another, add music somewhere else, and then bring everything into a separate editor. Drama.land is designed to simplify that workflow by keeping most of the creative process under one roof. For this demonstration, I'm heading into the video section and selecting the narrative storytelling option. This is a good choice for our short film style video. Paste the script writing prompt into the narrative film's chat box. This is Dolly. Also, don't forget to paste the idea or concept for the topic we have, then press enter. After that, everything is handled by AI. All you have to do is occasionally give it confirmation or approval. The AI will first create the concept and ask you to confirm or accept it. Approve it first. Once you accept the concept, it will move on to creating the story Bible or character Bible. Every short film needs key characters, so it will build the characters, their interpersonal relationships, descriptions, appearances, and more. It will also build the world and describe its setting. Once the Bible is generated, Drama.land will again ask you to accept or approve it. After you approve it, the AI will move on to the outline. It will take some time to create the 4-act outline, and once it's ready, you'll again be asked to accept or approve it. After you accept the outline, the AI will generate the scene list one scene at a time. You can literally see every scene being created here. As usual, you'll need to approve the scenes whenever the AI asks. The final step is scripting. Once you approve the scenes, the Dolly AI will generate the script based on them. You can see how detailed and well-structured the script is. Of course, you can do all of this with ChatGPT or Claude like we usually do, but you can see how Drama.land approaches the entire project and builds the script from start to finish. Once again, the AI will ask you to confirm or approve the script. After you do that, it will finalize the script and present it to you. Every time the AI asks you to approve an output, you'll also see other options, such as revise or change, in case you want to modify a specific part or completely regenerate what DALL-E created. If you're not happy with the result, you can simply choose one of those options. That said, I think the first generation will already impress you, so you'll most likely just continue and approve each step. Once the script is finished, we'll move on to the visuals.
The visuals. Now, we have already generated our script. We have a complete script. The next step is to create the complete short film or video. If we had used ChatGPT, Claude, or any other AI, we would have had to generate image prompts, video generation prompts, and many other things manually. We would have had to copy and paste everything one by one, which takes a lot of time and effort. But Drama.land eliminates almost all of that work. It does everything for you while you practically do nothing. Your only job is to sit in front of the screen and keep an eye on the process because, every now and then, it may ask for your confirmation. You might have to click 3 or 4 times during the entire process, and that's it. Other than that, you don't have to do a single thing. Now don't switch to a new chat. Stay in the same chat and simply type in plain English. Convert the above script into a short film. That's it. With just this prompt, DALL-E AI will begin the entire workflow. First, it will start the visual configuration. Once that's finished, it will ask for your approval before moving to the next stage, which is the reference pack. In the reference pack, it will create the character board, world-building assets, and all the important elements of the story. You can also see these in the media and cost windows. Any important characters, locations, props, or other key story elements will appear there. Once the reference pack is ready, DALL-E AI will again ask for your approval. Simply click Select. It will then move to the next phase, where it finalizes the reference pack and generates the reference list. Think of this as a final checklist to make sure the AI has everything it needs before creating the video. After that, it will ask for your confirmation again so it can begin segment planning, which is where it decides how all those references will be used throughout the video. Just click Select, and it will automatically create the segment plan. Once the segment plan is complete, it will finalize everything and move on to the next phase, which is asset preparation. Again, approve it, and Drama.land will generate all the required images and keyframes for the animation. After that, it will ask for confirmation to continue to storyboard detailing. This is the stage where it mainly generates the video prompts, camera movements, references, and other scene details. Once you approve it, that phase will be completed. Next, it will generate each video scene from those images. Finally, it will ask for one last approval so it can stitch all the scenes together into a single video. This stage is called video generation. During video generation, there may be a few more approval steps. Simply approve them whenever prompted. Once everything is finished, you'll get the final film. It's honestly impressive. You wouldn't believe it can generate such a beautiful, Hollywood-quality film from just a single prompt. You practically created the entire film by doing almost nothing. One thing I should mention is that some stages may take a little longer than others. Drama.land doesn't display a loading bar, so sometimes you might wonder whether it's still working or if it has stalled. If that happens, simply type "Continue" into the prompt box and press Enter. It will show you the current status and continue the workflow if needed. In my experience, it doesn't actually stall. It's usually just processing in the background. So, you don't have to worry about generating prompts, copying and pasting them, or managing multiple AI tools. Drama.land handles everything for you. Your only job is to supervise the process and click Select whenever approval is required. Eventually, you'll have the complete film. The only thing to remember is that it may take some time because the AI is performing many tasks simultaneously.
Even then, it's still much faster than doing everything manually by copying and pasting prompts one by one. Now, take a look at the short film we created. It's genuinely Hollywood quality and ready to publish, with well-placed dialogue, music, visuals, and everything else already put together. Now, since we're going to publish it on YouTube, we need one final thing: the thumbnail.
The thumbnail. But before you make one, study the psychology that the reference channel is using. Because they're not posting random images, right? They're building a curiosity gap. So I've already prepared a thumbnail prompt. Just copy it and paste your completed storyline into the placeholder. And the prompt reads your story and generates a powerful 2- or 3-word title you can use as the thumbnail text. It also creates an image prompt that gives the thumbnail that cinematic Hollywood poster look. So once you paste the thumbnail prompt into Claude along with your story, it generates the final image prompt. Copy that, and again go to Drama.land. On its homepage's prompt field, change the mode from agentic mode to generation mode. You'll see 2 options: video generation and image generation. Select image generation, click Add Model, and choose GPT Image 2, which is currently the only option here. Then paste the thumbnail image prompt here that we generated using Claude, and you instantly get a ready-to-use thumbnail. That's it. And now your thumbnail is doing real work. It sells a question instead of a scene. And when someone clicks, the video eventually walks them right up to that exact moment, on that exact day. So everything's ready, and your video is ready to publish. So that's the full machine, start to finish. And not one piece of it needed money or a team. But a working machine is only worth anything if you actually run it, right? Because windows like this never stay open. Every month, more creators show up, the competition thickens, and standing out gets harder. So here's the real question. What happens if you ignore this and come back in a year, once everyone else is crowded in? And what happens if you start today and post for the next 30 days straight? Tell me in the comments. Would you build this channel yourself, or is there another niche you want me to take apart next? And if this helped you, don't forget to subscribe. And if you decide to try this workflow, definitely check out Drama.land. It pulls together almost everything you need for AI filmmaking into one platform, making the entire process much simpler than stitching together multiple tools.
There's also a special code to earn free credits in it. You'll find the link in the description. You will get it once you sign up with my code and link.
Seal the shaft, and may the core have mercy.
Soul, come back up. The seal is set. There's nothing down there for you. If you stay, you're contamination.